Okay, I'm gonna help you with lesson 15-5, the workbook pages. Number 1 on the front and number 9 on the back I thought were a little confusing, so I thought I would show you. So number 1 on the front says to pick a container that you think is less than a liter. So I think this is less than a liter. And it says measure it to check its capacity. So I'm gonna fill it up with water. And there's 2 things that I can do. I can use this measuring cup. I have a measuring cup that shows 1,000 milliliters, okay, which is 1 liter. Over here, I think it says 1 liter. Okay, liter is L-I-T-E-R, but you can totally do it L-I-T-R-E since it's can go either way. So 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter. That's the same line. So I'm going to fill it up. So if this container of water will fill up the measuring cup all the way to that top line, then this would be 1 liter. But I don't quite think it's going to. So I'm going to pour it in here. Okay, and now I filled this up, and this will tell me how many milliliters it is. Looks like it's right about 400 milliliters. So it's less than half of a liter. Here's 1 liter way up here. That's 500, 400, so it'll be about I would say it's about 400 milliliters for that container, okay? So that's how you can test it. If you don't have a measuring cup that has it, this water bottle shows that it's, can you see it, 500 milliliters, okay? So that means if I can fill this up twice, I have 1 liter. 500 plus a 500 equals 1,000. So I could take this and fill it up here. Trying not to spill too much. Okay, so it filled 1 almost. So it's definitely not a liter because it filled 1, and I have to fill this up, pour it out, and then fill another one. But I'll put it in my plant. Here's my pretty new plant. I'll put the water in there so I don't waste it. There we go. Okay. All right, so now, number 9 on the back says pick a container that you think is more, that's bigger than 1 liter, and measure it to see. So I'm going to take this container. It looks pretty big to me. So I'm going to fill it up with water. Okay, so I say, well, I want to know how much this will hold, how many milliliters or how many liters this will hold. So what I can do, if I have the measuring cup, is I can just pour it in here. Oh, and I was wrong. This is less than a liter. It's about 900 milliliters. So it's almost 1 liter, but it was less. Okay, so you probably need a container that's bigger than this even. The other thing, if you don't have a measuring cup with the liters on it, you can either find a container that is 1 liter, or you can use 2 of these. And if you can fill this up twice and still have something left over, you know that it's more than 1 liter. Okay? Go get it. Thanks. Good job.